Hey guys, I have here this Opel Adam, and today I want to show you how to replace the bulb for the front turning signal. So the only tool that we need to do this is here this Phillips screwdriver. And when you look on the cover for the turning signal, then there's a little hole that you can put this screwdriver into, and then you can loosen the screw. The screw doesn't really come out, so don't wonder about that. So it's really tight in there, but eventually you can just remove the cover here, and then you have still the blinker housing is still attached to the bumper. So there's another screw that you can see. At this point you have to remove this screw in order to get the housing for the turning signal completely out. So make sure you don't lose the screw accidentally. And now at this point you can just remove here the housing for the turn signal. There's still like another hook here on the side that you have to get out first, and then you can unscrew here the socket with the bulb. And now the bulb is in here also. You have to push down on the bulb and then turn it counterclockwise to remove it. And the type of the bulb is PY21W. And so now when you want to install the replacement, then you just also push down on the bulb and then turn it clockwise, and then here the same with the socket. You just put that in there and rotate it clockwise. And now that we want to reinstall the assembly, make sure that these tabs here are going into the slot that you see here in the bumper. Otherwise the turn signal won't fit right and you can't really install it properly. It will be loose otherwise. So no, this is correct in its right location here, and then we first put in the first screw here on the bottom, and after that is tight, then we take the cover here, which still has the screw in place, and we just position this right on top of the turning signal housing, and we tighten this screw as well, and we are already done. Just make sure that it really works now, and yeah, so this is already it. If you have any more questions, then leave a comment below, and if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up.